Hi everyone, it's Hayden at Town & Country Marine. I'm making a quick video today to show you how to put on your Bartletta Aria cover. It's a new clip style for 2025. So first thing you're going to do is find the front of the cover. Extend all of your cover. There's a little white tag that'll say forward center right at the front, and that's going to go on your front gate. So there's only one clip that goes on the front gate, and it's the one with the tag. Now the trick with these clips is, if you look up close, there's a little pull tab right here. And then this little tooth mechanism locks in underneath the groove on the rail of the boat. So what you need to do is take an overhand grip like this with the clip locked into your fingers and just pull it up into the groove. It'll slide around. You want to make sure it's fairly center. And then obviously on the side that is not tied up to the dock, you'll want to do all of your clips all the way around the boat. So again, overhand grip, pull up, overhand grip, pull up, go all the way around the opposite side that you're docked on. You can see these will lock in here. You can't pull them out as long as you just push them up into that groove. And then to release them, that's where that pull tab comes in handy. You're gonna pull the tab, same grip as before. You're gonna take an overhand grip, pull that, and down to release the clip. All right, so we're gonna go around the entire boat, show you how this cover goes on. All right, so the tricky part here is your bimini. So you've got a nice big gap here that you can see that'll go around the base of your bimini. So you're just gonna do your snaps up all the way until you get to the bimini and there's no snaps left. And you're gonna take the Velcroed side here, slide it around the bimini. You're gonna go below the bimini frame, but above the bimini base. So we're just gonna slide this around here until we got enough slack. And these two pieces of Velcro should easily join together. And then you can continue snapping your cover on, like so. All the way around the back of the boat. Okay, so some Bartletta Arias can be optioned with the safety stanchions on the back, the big stainless steel rails at the back. So if your boat does have that, every Bartletta cover will have a cutout for the stanchions. So you just need to make sure that the stanchion will go around these little Velcroed inserts here. And so you're gonna go underneath the stanchion on the rear side of the opening. So we've got a left one in my left hand, right one in my right hand. The right one is gonna go underneath the stanchion so it can continue on this way. And then there's gonna be one more right at the back of the boat to do the same thing. The only dome snaps on the cover, there's a few right across the back, and that's what you're gonna do right at the end. So the rest of the boat cover should be on now. You're gonna take these snaps and just secure it down onto the boat. All the way across the back for a complete fit. Hope this helped with your Bartletta cover.